Hey everybody, it's Michael Colomb with Travels with Michael. I'm a little late during my August unboxing of Bespoke post because I've had an insane filming schedule. But I have today off and I have the new box. I actually don't remember what it's called. I ordered it some time ago, but this one's kind of nice. I don't usually get something this long, but if I remember correctly, it's a chair. So I'm going to open it real quick just so we get this started right away. This is my August 2022 box. I want to do this soon because I'm about to get my September one. Also, I'm filming outside today because it's a beautiful day. So, you know, you might hear helicopters and planes and stuff because I live near an airport. Of course, we have like 20 airports in LA. Oh yeah, this is nice. All right. Take all the fun stuff. Ooh, okay, so this box is called Timeout. It's a chair. It holds up to 200 pounds. It's a pole and hub system, and it has a shoulder strap. Oh, damn, I can use this when I'm traveling, and I can use it out on set. This would be great. Timeout. So first thing, before I even pull the chair out, I get this, which is, oh wow, 300-foot USB camping light. Oh, that's kind of amazing. Revel gear with a dimmer included. Oh, we're definitely opening this first. This is kind of cool. You know, I'm not gonna lie. After all, I get these monthly boxes from Bespoke Post. I'm gonna have so much amazing camping gear. So this is it. I'm on cinem mode gear on my phone. So here's a USB port right here. Comes with a Velcro thing that holds it all together. You know, the USB port right here, and then just lights. Nice long, and it's, wow, 30 feet. So you can put these up. I don't know if you can see the picture here. I don't know if you can see the picture, but the cool thing is it includes, you can put up like on your awning or something, and so that way it gives you light. You can see that. But yeah, that's kind of cool. So there's that. And then these little packets here. Let's see what these little packets are. Looks like there's 5 of them. Oh, bug defense. Bug defense by Venture Wipes. Tear open the wrapper, unfold the wipe, and apply to areas exposed to insects. Oh, this is if you get bug bites. DEET-free natural bug repellent wipe. Oh wow, bro! I'm telling you guys, my camping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My camping kit's gonna be amazing. And then of course, the one thing we really want is this amazing chair. It's actually very, very, very light, not heavy at all, which makes sense because if you're camping, you want something like this because it's like it goes over your shoulder. So I'll let the sun do it here. So let's see here. There's a little strap right here. It looks like it just folds over. Oh, here's the shoulder strap, which is nice. And then let's see how we open it. It just kind of unbends like this. Oh wow, look at that. Can you see that? Nice color. It sits on it, and then you just kind of sit on top of it like this. And then when you're done, you just lift it up, fold it like this, carry it. Oh man, I've needed a chair like this, especially when I travel, especially when I do photography, especially on set. Oh, and then you put this on so it holds it all together. Especially on set, when I travel, camping, on set. I mean, there's so many uses. It's so functional and versatile. So this is definitely worth the money, I think, for this month's. So yeah, Bespoke Post delivered again. All right, well anyways, this is Michael Colomb with Travels with Michael, and I'll see you on your next adventure.